Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use focus mode and do not disturb on the Honor 600 Pro. So if you want to enable focus mode, which is an option that allows you to mute and change around some notification settings to help you focus on the task that you are doing, or just do not disturb mode, which disables all of the notifications that you get, I'm going to show you how to do it. So to enable do not disturb, it's pretty easy. You need to open the control panel, then scroll down again to expand it, and enable do not disturb. And here, as you can see, calls and notifications will be silenced and only the alarms will be enabled. So just click enable, and now you're in do not disturb mode, and all of the notifications will not be popping up on your phone or disturbing you. They will just be popping up in the notification menu. And then if you want to enable something like focus mode, where you can change the settings yourself, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off, what we need to do is go to the settings, and then just click the search icon and type in focus. And here we have it. We can tap on it, and here we can set up a focus mode. So we can select distracting apps, so something like games, and maybe just things that you don't need while, for example, working or studying, and just disable things like that. And then once you've done that, you can set a schedule. So when so on what day the mode turns on and at what times it starts and ends. So you can change the days, you can change the time, and once you're done, just click set. And then once you've done that, click turn on now, and that is going to enable the focus mode. And here, if you go to notifications, it's going to tell you that focus mode is on. And you can either take a break, which is going to pause it for the amount of minutes that you set here, and then it's going to turn back, or turn off for now. So it's going to skip the day if you have it set up as a schedule. And that is pretty much how you enable focus mode and do not disturb. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.